Welcome back to Vine Garage Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing some stuffed shrimp. We're going to be making a seafood stuffing. We're going to be using scallops in it and Uncle Steve's Gator shake. And we're going to be doing it on the LiL PitBoss. You ready? Let's go. Alright, let's go with the ingredients for our stuffing. We'll be using up some Ritz crackers, some breadcrumbs. I chopped up a pound of sea scallops. I got a stick of unsalted butter with 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped up. Threw them in there when I was melting it down. A little splash of wine. Some Uncle Steve's Gator shake, and a little splash of lemon. Let's get going. Alright, let's get going. We're going to be using 60 of these Ritz crackers. I already crushed up some here, just going to crush them up. Get them in a bowl. Don't mind the chainsaws in the back there. Apparently they're going to cut down everything in this neighborhood. We get our butter in here. Get a splash of wine going. A little black pepper. A little bit of breadcrumbs here. We get Uncle Steve's going. And their Gator shake.
Shake it all over everything.
We'll be dusting them later with this too. And we'll get a little bit of mayonnaise for a binder. Maybe a couple tablespoons. Let's get this all mixed in together. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that butter into this here. With our hands get better results here. I'm gonna have a little more butter. The garlic in there. We're using shrimp. It was 12 to 14 a pound size-wise. That's looking pretty good right there. I'm going to give this a taste before we throw our chopped up scallops in it. Get our lemon in it. And we're going to throw a little bit more Uncle Steve's in it. And we'll get our scallops in it. Maybe we'll add a little bit more breadcrumbs in here. You want to be able to form it and it holds its shape. Alright, let me grab our shrimp. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We got our shrimp. We cleaned them, deveined them, and butterflied them. So when we put them, they'll sit like this here. What you want to do is just get your shrimp out like this. Get a little bit of your mixture going here. Pop it right down. Right on the pan. We sprayed a little bit of cooking spray on our pan here. Do another one here for you. And why not? We'll do one more. And that's what you're looking for there. We're gonna get these down. We're gonna hit them again all with some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. We'll be back at the smoker. All right, we're back. We got a grill up to temp. We're gonna run at 350. Let's get them on. Shook them down with a little Uncle Steve's. Let's get them going. We'll be back in about 10-15 minutes to check on them. We'll see you then. All right, we're back. It's been about 13 minutes. Let's check them out. Starting to get a little bit color. Not looking bad at all. Back in about another 10. All right, we're back. It's been about 13 minutes. Let's check them out. Starting to get a little color here. All right, we'll let them go a little bit longer. Check back in a few. All right, we're back. These are done. Spun them around. We get them pulled out, plated up. We'll be back. All right, we are back. And here's our finished product. I've already tried one. I'll tell you what, Uncle Steve's in this is awesome. Gator Shake all day long. Simple, easy to do. Thanks for watching.